Okay, CMOS NOR. Let's make it by myself. So at first, what I have to do, I have to draw the circuit. This is the ground. This is the capacitor. Okay.
আচ্ছা স্যার এটা তো আমি করছি বাট আমি কিভাবে বুঝবো এটা হইছে নাকি হয় নাই
ওকে চেক করে দেখি Okay. See, this one is A. This one is B. A. B. Okay. Now, this is CL. So let's do the sizing. This is 6. This is 6. This is 1. This is 1. Now you can do the noding now. At first, this is our node number 0. Node number 0, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, this is our node number 1. This is our node number 1. Next, this is our node number 2. Node number 2. Next, this is our node number 3. Next, this is our node number 4. Next, node number 5. Okay. And any more node? We do not have any more node. Okay. This is also 0, right? You'll see. This is also 0, right? Okay. Now I'm going to write the noding. So this is 0. This is also 0. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 5. This is also 5. You can say drain gate source, or drain gate source, something like that. You can write that, but I do not like to write those. Okay. So I believe my drawing is finished. So I'm going to do the coding. So I need the code. Where is the code? Okay. This is the code. So I have two MOSFETs, MPA, MPB, MNA, MNB. So I'm going to write. I'm going to copy and paste. Okay, now what? MPA, MPB, MNA, MNB. Okay. Now, first one is this one, MPA, right? So drain gate source body. Drain is 4, gate is 1, source is 3, body is 3. So 4, 1, 3, 3.
1, 3, 3.
PENH, the sizing is 6. 6 means 4 into 6, 24. Right? So how do I get that? Okay. So your sizing was 12:1 in your lab number 1. No, not 12:1, 12:4. Right? That means 3:1. Understood? 3:1. Now, see, if 3 is 12, so how much it will be 6? 24, right? If 3 is 12, how much is 6? 24. So here, that's why you get the 24. Now the next one, MPB. Exactly. Now MPB is drain gate source body. So 5, 2, 4, 4. 5 2 4 4, right? 5 2 4 4, right? Understood? Okay. Next one will be what? Sizing. Since the sizing is same for this one as well. So 24 and 3. Okay. Next one is MNA. This one. Where is the drain? Drain is the upper one. So 5 1 0 0, right? 5 1 0 0. And the sizing is 1. So 1 means 4. Next one, B. Drain. Drain is the upper one. So 5. Gate. Gate is the 2. So 2. Source. Source is the 0. So 0. So 5 2 0 0. Understand? Sizing is same. Now the VDD. VDD is connected to pin number 3. Next we have VA. That is connected at 1. Next we have VB, that is connected to node number 2. So 2, and it will be double. So it should be 40 and 80, right?
Yes, sir.
Now the capacitor is connected to node number 5, and DC analysis we do not need. That's the circuit. Now save as NOR dot CIR, and text file should be all file. Save. Now let's get back. I do not need this drawing anymore. I'm going to clear those up. Okay. This is the NOR. Can you see the NOR? Okay. Double click. I have to close it first. Double click. So this is the NOR. Run it. Address. CL, VA, VB. So your output is this one. That means the blue one, green one actually. Here, this one. So if I again use the AB, your A is 1. No, I need the bigger color. Is 1, 0, 1, 0. This is your A. For B, this is 1, 1, 0, 0, right? Now, what is your output now? Let's see the output. Output is 0, 0, 0, but here it is 1. So according to our, what is that? Our truth table, for 0, 0, the output should be what? 1. For 0, 1, your output should be 0. For 1, 0, your output should be
0.
0. For 1, 1, your output should be 0, right? How? Because our formula is A plus B bar. So if there is 1, 1, only 1, 1, the output will be 0. If there is a 1, the output is 0. Here you have a 1, so output is 0. Here you have a 1, output is 0. Here you have 1, so output is 0. So both of them are 0, then you have 1 as 0 output. See this one? Only here your output is 1, right? So your circuit is completed. So Nazifa, এটা হচ্ছে তোমার question and answer. So if you check the result and if you match it with the truth table, you will see your output is correct. বুঝতে পারছি?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I have an error, sir.
Of course. Tell me. Or, right?
Yes, when I ran the program, it will not show any output. It says error voltage source, inductor loop involving VB, you may not break. Something like this.
That means so many error, right?
Yes.
Okay, you were trying to do OR gate, right?
Yes.
That means A plus B.
Yes.
Okay. For A plus B, what do you have to do? Wait a minute. What do you have to do? You have to design the circuit first. Then you have to do the coding, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
how to do that? See. Let's draw the circuit. This is the NOR, right?
Yes.
Now you need an inverter, obviously. Your output should be connected here. Okay? Now this is your A, B, A, B. Okay? Now your sizing. Your sizing should be here. This should be what? 6, 6. This is 1. This is 1. This is 3. This is 1, right? That is your sizing. Now the noding. This is your node number. Oh my God. This is your node number 0. This is also node number 0. This is also node number 0. Okay? Next. This is node number 1. Next. Node number 2. Node number 1.
এটা OR gate এর না?
হ্যাঁ, এটা OR gate. এই জন্য তো ইয়ে আছে আমাদের ইনভার্টার আছে তাই। Okay. Next. This is node number 3. This is also node number 3. Next, node number 4. This is node number 5. Okay? Next. Node number 6. Any more nodes?
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, sir.
No more nodes, right? So let's write. This is 0, 0, 0. This is 1, 1. No. This is the letter 1 should be 2. 2. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. This is 5. This is also 5. This is 6. Okay? Now write the program. Now, how many MOSFET do you have? 1, 2, 3 PMOS. 1, 2, 3 NMOS. So let's write MPA, MPB. This one, let's write MPI. I means inverter. MNA, MNB, MNI. Okay, I means inverter. So this one should be 4133. 4133. Next one would be 5244. Okay. This one would be what? 6533, right?
Yes, sir.
The upper one is 3. 6533. Okay, this sizing should be 12, not 24. So next one is MNA. MNA is what? 5100. 5100. Next one is this one. 5200. This is there. MNI. This one should be 6500, right? And the sizing is same because 44433. That's it. Now your VDD is 3. Your VI, remember your VI is 10, VB is 20 because you do not have any more pulses. Now your CL should be connected to pin number 6. Let's see whether it is okay or not. Save as. Now it is OR dot CIR. All file, save. Okay, let's see. I'm not sure, but let's see. Okay, it's come because there is no error. Okay, Abdulaziz? If you add one more, let's say VA, if you add VA, this is your result. Here, this one should be bigger. Now, if you again do that, remember VA, A is 0, 0, 0, no. A is 1, 0, 1, 0. VB is 1, 1, 0, 0. And your Y, that means your output is 1 because it is 1. This is 1 because this is 1. 1 because it is 1. This is 0 because it is grounded, right? It is 0. Now here, look at this. When your output is, when your inputs are 0, 0, your output is 0, right? When you have only 1, 1, that time you see 1. When you have only 1, 1, either this one or this one, doesn't matter. Okay, it is the OR. Understood? Abdulaziz?
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, here we can see only 2 pulses.
2 pulses,
But-
yes. Yes, yes. You can only see 2 pulses because one is CL, another one is VA. Okay, I only showed you VA and pulses, right? I didn't show you the VB. Okay, let's show you the VB. Here, if I click add trace, you can see VB. Because the more pulse you add, it will be more clumsy. You cannot understand which one is 1, which one is 0. But since from experience, I know this is 1, 0, 1, 0. So it will be 1, 1, 0, 0. From experience, I can see this. The only thing I do not know, that is the output. How much the output will be. So output should be bigger. Output should be highlighted. Other thing you should not carry about, or you should not care about, okay?
Okay, sir.
Because I know it. It should be 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0. I know it. Okay, that's why I didn't introduce some more pulses, because when you see the next lab, that means lab number 3, that time you will understand what I was talking about. Okay, now the lab number 3. Now the lab number 3, I do not need it anymore. I'm going to clear all this. Now the lab number 3. See here, the exercise, construct AND gate and OR gate using CMOS logic. I already showed you NOR, I already showed you NAND, I already showed you OR. So your job will be constructing AND gate. Do not tell me, sir, I couldn't do it. Okay, then now the next lab is lab number 3. That the circuit simulation using SPICE, use custom logic expression. All of you design it. AB, okay, this one is a what? This one is actually AB plus CD bar. Okay, Y is equal to AB plus CD bar. Okay, this one, all of you design it. Here, can you see the bar?
Yes.
Can you see the bar here? Can you see?
Yes.
Okay. All of you design it. Do the sizing. Do the noding. Sizing should be according to 3:1. Okay. Do the sizing. Do the noding. Write the code. Okay. All of you. Take 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes. Do it, because this will be the end of our lab number 3.
স্যার এটা কি হচ্ছে কি আমরা জাস্ট কাটাই করব নাকি হচ্ছে কি
না
ম্যানুয়ালি?
না খাতা না, তোমরা নরমালি করো, একবারে করো। Okay, do it on the computer, all of you, please. Okay, Nazifa,
স্যার
design the circuit in your notebook. Okay, design the circuit, design the noding, design the what is that, everything else.
Hello?
But do the coding on the computer. বুঝছো?
বুঝতে পারছি।
Okay. Okay, everyone, look at here. Okay, I'm going to size. This should be 6. 6. 6, 6, 2, 2, 2, 2. Now
Yes, sir.
I'm going to note.
Sir,
Yeah.
how you get these values? That's the maybe I didn't hear about. How you get these values? We have 3 into 1.
Yeah, 3 into 1.
Multiplied by.
Okay, yeah, 3 into 1. So I already showed you in our previous class. Okay, so how to size. So like the formula 1 divided by beta p. A reference is equal to 1 divided by beta p a, 1 divided by beta p c, 1 divided by beta p b. Remember?
Yes.
So I got this 6, 6, 6, 6 by using that method. Now I know the shortcut. You still do not know. You will know by doing a lot of practices. Okay, if you do a lot of practices, you will know, okay, this is 6, this is 6, this is 6, this is 6. Okay, got my point? If you do 10 practices, 10 different types of that practice, you will automatically know this will be 6, this will be 4, this will be 5, something like that. Okay, this is the shortcut. Shortcut, how to determine the shortcut? See this one. How many paths do you have from here to here? So first path is this one. Right? So A and C. So you have 2 MOSFETs. So 6, 6, that means 3 into 2, right? Normally your ratio is 3:1. So double of 3, that means 6, 6. Now next path is this one. Right? With through A and through D. Still you have 2 MOSFETs, so double. That means 6 and 6. Next you have this one. B and C, right? B and C. B and C. You have 2 MOSFETs. Again 2, double. That means 6 and 6. Next you have what? Next you have B and D, right? Understand?
Yes.
So again double. 6 and 6. So all of them are 6, 6, 6, 6. So that's why I can write 6, 6, 6, 6. Understood?
বুঝি নাই কেন 6 6 হলো 3:1 থেকে আমি অ্যাকচুয়ালি বুঝি নাই
আচ্ছা 3:1 থেকে দেখো নরমালি যদি আমার একটা মসফেট থাকে তাহলে এক গুণ হবে 3 এর এক গুণ দ্যাট মিন্স 3 যদি আমার দুইটা মসফেট থাকে সেক্ষেত্রে আমার 2 গুণ হবে 3 এর 2 গুণ 6 6 দ্যাট মিন্স 2 টাইমস yeah
sir if the last the final path is just one MOSFET which one will be
yes
3?
that time you cannot apply this shortcut method you have to apply the whole method that time got my point you will have a different value. Here, that's why I told you, if you do a lot of practices, you will know instantly. Okay, this one will be 6, 6, 6, 6. And you will know you cannot do the method using what? You cannot do that using what? What is that called? Using shortcut method, okay? Let's say you have one more MOSFET here. Wait a minute. Let's say you have one more MOSFET here, okay? That time you cannot apply shortcut method.
So you got the formula.
Yeah, then you have to use the formula. Right now you do not have to use the formula because it is actually easier. Okay. Now let's write the noding. So this is your 0. This is also 0. Next one. This is 1. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. Right? Yes. This is 5. Next, this is 6. Okay? Now next, this is 7. The whole thing is 7. Next, which color left? Maybe this color left. This is 8. This is 9. Okay?
Yes.
Now do the program. Okay, I'm going to write and you see. One, two, three, 4. This is MPA, MPB, MPC, MPD. Next one is MN. Copy. Okay. This is MNA, MNB, MNC, MND. Okay.
Yes.
Now you need 4 inputs. This is VA, VB, VC, VD. Okay. Now MNA, this one. Okay, we forgot to note. Okay, no, we didn't forget to. We just write to forgot. This one, 1, 2, 3, 4. This one will be 5. This is 6. This is 7. This is 8. This is 9. Other we know already because it is 0. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. We already know it. Okay, now this one is what? 6, 1, 5, 5, right? 6, 1, 5, 5. Okay. Next one, MPB, 6, 2, 5, 5. Okay. Next one, MPC. This one is 7, 3, 6, 6. Next one, MPD, 7, 4, 6, 6. Now MNA, 7, 1, 8, 8. Next one, 8, 2, 0, 0. Next one, C, right? This should be 7, 3, 9, 9. Next one, 9, 4, 0, 0. Okay, now the sizing, 6, 6, 6, 6. They should be 24, all of them. Now they are all 2, 2, 2, 2. That means they should be all 8. Okay. Now VDD is 505. This one, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now they should be double, so they should be 40, 80. This is 80, 160. This is 160, 320. Now our capacitor should be connected at number 7. 50. TC analysis we do not need. Transient analysis, this should be 320 at least. Why? Because our highest number is 320. So it should be at least highest, 320. Now we can save it. Save as A, B, C, D. Okay, according that, .cir obviously. And this should be all file. Save. Okay. Now we can remove all the drawings and double click this one. No error. Now, which one we will see? We will only see VA and VCL. Okay, but if you want, you can see VB, VC, VD as well. But you will see a lot of lines are there, so you cannot actually understand which one is which. That's why I'm going to delete all the VC, VD, VB. Okay, we will only keep VA and CL. Okay, this one, that means the red one, is our output. This is the output. Understood? Okay, now I'm going to write everything. So this is number A, this is B, this is C, this is D, and the final one will be our output. Okay, let's write. This one is 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. How do I know it? See, the green color, first one is 1, next 0. 1, 0, 1, 0, right? That's why I have written like that. Now the VB, if you start the VB like this, if you delete VA and if you add VB, this is the VB, right? Now what? See, this is 1, 1, 0, 0. Next one, 1, 1, 0, 0. Next one, 1, 1, 0, 0. Next one, 1, 1, 0, 0, right? Now I'm going to delete the VB. Then I'm going to bring out the VC. One, 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 0, 0, 0, 0. Next one. 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. Now I'm going to delete the VC. I'm going to bring out the VD. Okay. You will see 8 of them are 1 first. 1. Now 8 of them are 0. Now the result. See the result. Result you can see. This is 0, 0, 0, 0. This is 1, 1, 1. This is 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. This is 0. This is 1, 1, 1. Right? You can see it. So I'm going to choose the color. I'm going to write 0. Here the result is 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. Okay, those are your result. Now, how to verify whether our result is all right or not? Okay, that is your question. That might be your question. Now, choose two values, two set of values. Choose two sets of values. Then we will see which one is all right or not. Okay, how to choose that? Okay, let's choose this color, and let's say I'm going to choose this set. I'm going to choose this set. Okay, 1, 1, 1, 0. And your result. Okay, so I'm going to draw. No, I'm going to choose one more set as well. Let's say I'm going to choose this set. Okay, it's completely arbitrary, your wish. Now I'm going to write. Our formula is AB plus CD bar, right? So according to this, AB, that means 1 into 1, plus CD, 1 into 0, whole bar. Your formula will be 1 plus 0 bar, 1 bar. That means your result is 0, right? And your result matches. Can you see that? Okay. Next one is this one. 0 into 1 plus 0 into 0. From where the value comes? This is the 0, this is the 1, this is the 0, this is the 0. If you put it in the formula, 0 into 1 plus 0 into 0, so your result is 0 plus 0 bar, that means 0 bar is equal to 1. See, the result matches. Right? Understand my point?
Yes, sir.
So how to check whether the results are all right or not? Okay, my dear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So lab hoise? Lab parso? You got the lab?
একটা কোশ্চেন ছিল
অবশ্যই কোশ্চেন করো।
স্যার হচ্ছে গিয়ে মানে পুরোটাই হইছে ঝামেলা শুধুমাত্র হচ্ছে গিয়ে বেস ওই যে এল আর ডাব্লিউ ক্ষেত্রে নেওয়ার ক্ষেত্রে। আচ্ছা স্যার এন আর এম মোস থাকলে অল টাইম আমরা 3:1 ধরে নিব। ধরার পর হচ্ছে যে লাইনটা দিয়ে যাচ্ছে ওইখানে কয়টা মসফেট আছে সেটার উপর ডিপেন্ড করে মাল্টিপ্লাই হবে।
আচ্ছা নাজিফা, এখন তোমাকে আমি কথা বলি, জিনিসটা হচ্ছে সবসময় তুমি 3:1 ধরে নিবা তা কিন্তু না, তোমার 2:1 হতে পারে, 2.5:1 হতে পারে। সো ইট ডিপেন্ডস অন দ্য ম্যাটেরিয়াল। বাট যেহেতু আমরা ম্যাটেরিয়ালটা এমন ভাবে ইউজ করছি যাতে 3:1 আসে, তাই না? আমরা কিন্তু ল্যাব নাম্বার 1-এ দেখছি যে আমাদের 3:1-এ আমাদের পারফেক্ট রেজাল্ট পাওয়া যায়। তার মানে ওই ল্যাবের জন্য, মানে হচ্ছে আমাদের ওই ম্যাটেরিয়ালের জন্য আমাদের পারফেক্ট ইয়া হচ্ছে 3:1। নেক্সট টাইম আমি যদি তোমাকে আরেকটা ম্যাটেরিয়াল দিয়ে অন্য জায়গা থেকে কিনে নিয়ে এসে তুমি যখন ল্যাব নাম্বার 1 আবার করবা তখন দেখবে তোমার 2:1 আসতে পারে। By using those material you have to do the design, that time you have to choose 2:1. Right now we are using the method, we are using the material from lab number 1. আমরা ল্যাব নাম্বার 1-এ যে ম্যাটেরিয়াল ব্যবহার করছিলাম সেই এক্সাক্ট সেম ম্যাটেরিয়ালটা আমরা ল্যাব নাম্বার 3-তে ব্যবহার করতেছি, তাই না? ম্যাটেরিয়াল মিন্স দ্য মিডল পার্ট দ্যাট আনটাচড, আমরা কিন্তু কোনো কিছু ধরি নাই,
কেমিক্যাল পার্টটা বুঝতে পারছি।
ঠিক আছে? সো দ্যাট পার্ট ইজ আনচেঞ্জড, দ্যাটস ওয়াই ইওর 3:1 রিমেইন আনচেঞ্জড। এখন তোমার নেক্সট কোশ্চেনটা হচ্ছে স্যার সাইজিংটা কেমন হবে, মানে সাইজিংটা আমরা কিভাবে করলাম, ওই যে এক পাথের মধ্যে দুইটা। তুমি যদি কনফিউজড হও, you use the detail method, detail formula method, the transistor sizing we have already discussed in our theory class, বুঝতে পারছি? বাট যেহেতু ল্যাবের জন্য আমাদের সময় কম থাকে এই কারণে আমি মাঝে মাঝে শর্টকাট মেথডটা ব্যবহার করি। দ্যাট মিন্স তোমার যদি দুইটা থাকে এক রাস্তার মধ্যে, তোমার দুইটা ইয়া হবে, নাম কি এটা? সাইজিং। ওকে, লেট মি শো ইউ ওয়ান শর্টকাট মেথড সাইজিং। ওকে, আমি তোমাকে শর্টকাট মেথড সাইজিং দেখাই একটা, তাহলে বুঝতে পারবা। Okay, now see, let's design these. AB plus C, right? Let's design this. So this will be your AB. This will be your C. Okay? Okay, now see this one. Here the sizing will be from here. How many paths do you have?
1, 2.
Okay, let's solve the PMOS first. Let's solve the PMOS. Here you will see you have one path. Is this one, right? You have another path. Is this one, right? So if you use the first path, your sizing would be, okay, let's consider 3:1. Your sizing would be twice, that means double. Because you have two MOSFET in this pink line, right? In this pink path, you have two MOSFET. One is this one, another one is this one. Okay, understand? So you have twice, that means 3 into 2. How much? 6. So this, oh my God. This should be 6. This should be 6. Understand? According to the pink path. Now, according to the yellow path, that means the later path, how many MOSFET do you have?
2.
Again, this one and this one, right? So again,
yes.
The 3 should be multiplied by 2. 3 into 2. So this should be 6. This should be 6 as well. Now, this is already 6, right? So no problem. Understand my point?
Yes, sir, I got it.
Now, Abbas, you asked me a very difficult question previously. Sir, what will happen if I have different type of number? If you have Okay, I will discuss later. I will show you with an example. Okay, this is 6666. Understand my point? So our sizing is completed. This is 666. Now then come to the later one. Next one. So here, from here to here, how many paths do you have? Again, let's use the pink color. You have one path like this. Let's use the yellow color. You have another path like this, right? So if you use the pink path, how many MOSFET do you have?
2.
2. So this one should be multiplied by 2. So this will be 2. This will be 2. So according to the yellow path, how many MOSFET do you have?
1.
1. So this 1 should be multiplied by 1. So it should be 1. Understand?
So এটা কি all time workout করে?
না, এটা all time workout করবে না। এর পরের এক্সাম্পলই দেখবো workout করবে না। Okay, it will not work out in your every situation. Which situation you can use it? You can use it like this situation. In the next situation, you will see it will not work out. Okay, let me show you. Okay, let me show you. Now let's design these. AB plus let's say C okay. Let's say BE. No, not BE. Okay, let's design this. Okay, let's make it a bit simpler. A let's design it. Okay, how to design it? At first, NMOS. This is your A.
আমার একটা প্রবলেম আছে সলভ করে দিয়েছিলেন স্যার।
হ্যাঁ this is A. This is E. They will be opposite. This one and this one, they will be in series. This is your A. Now this one will be here. But B C and DE, they will be in series. C, DE. Okay, so now you are in trouble. You are in big trouble. How? Let's solve the N type. At first, how many paths do you have? You have actually 1, 2, 3, 3 paths. One is, okay, no, highlight. One is this one, right? Next, another one is this one, yellow one. Another one is this one. Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now if you apply, okay, 3:1. If you apply if you calculate for the purple or the violet line, you have only one MOSFET. So 1 time of 1, right? So this should be 1. If you apply the yellow line, that means this one, you have 2 MOSFET, right? B and C. So this should be multiplied by 2. So this should be 2. This should be what? 2. Understand? Then if you use the blue line, you have 3 MOSFET. So this 1 should be multiplied by what?
3.
3. So this should be 3, 3. This also should be 3, right? Now here you can see you cannot have 2 different type of sizes in one MOSFET. Why not? Because Abbas, if I ask you what is your height, what will be your result? What will be your answer? Abbas.
Yes, sir.
If I ask you what is your height, what will be your answer?
130.
Okay, can you say, sir, 130, 140?
Sir.
Can you say?
Sir.
Yes, sir, or no, sir?
No, sir.
No, sir.
My connection is unstable, sir. Sorry.
Exactly. Your constant value or your sizing cannot be twice. That means 2 types, right? You have only one size, 130 or 140. You cannot say both. So here you can either have 2 or you can either have 3. That is the problem. When you have this sort of problem, you cannot use the shortcut method anymore. You have to use that formula. Understand? Nazifa বুঝছো? Nazifa?
স্যার আমি যদি ফর্মুলা ইউজ করে বের করতে চাই তারপরে তো হচ্ছে দুইটার জন্য হচ্ছে গিয়া একরকম আসবে, তিনটার জন্য আরেক রকম রেজাল্ট আসবে। সেক্ষেত্রে বি ইনক্লুডেড থাকবে।
দেখো তোমাকে আমি বলি, দেখো এখানে for this one is not a problem. এটা প্রবলেম করতেছে না। It is not making any problem, right? You do not have to apply the formula for this one. No need. Which one is making problem? The problem is made by the blue line and yellow line, okay? That's why you have to use the formula for these 2.
আমি যেটা বলতেছি সেটা হচ্ছে আমি যখন বিটা পাই দিয়ে বের করতে যাব আমরা কি করি, যে ইকুয়েশনগুলো বের করি, যদি 3টা একসাথে থাকে গুণে অথবা 2টা একসাথে থাকে একটা একটা করে বের করি।
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ
ঠিক আছে স্যার, এখন আমি বলছি যে আমি যদি এখন বিসি এর জন্য বের করি আমার কিন্তু হচ্ছে গিয়ে ডব্লিউপি একটা বের হবে, আবার যদি আমি বিডিই এর জন্য বের করি তখন হচ্ছে গিয়ে ডব্লিউপি আরেকটা হবে। সেখানে
ডব্লিউপি না ডব্লিউএন, এগুলো এনমস।
এটা ডব্লিউএন মানে আরেকটা হচ্ছে। তো সেখানে আমরা কি করি হচ্ছে যে বিসি এর জন্য যে ডব্লিউএনটা পাই সেটা হচ্ছে বি এর ডব্লিউএন হিসেবে কাউন্ট করি।
আচ্ছা দেখো, আমি তোমার কোশ্চেন বুঝতে পারছি। দেখো এখন তুমি যেটা করবা সেটা হচ্ছে তুমি বড় পাথের জন্য আগে বের করবা। ওকে, লেটস ফাইন্ড দ্য বিগার পাথ ফার্স্ট। তুমি যদি ওই ফর্মুলা অনুযায়ী বের করো, you will see your WN is actually 3. Okay, so if you find the WN for bigger path among the blue and the yellow line, so your path is B, then D, then E. Okay, one path. Another path will be B and C. Okay, which one you will find first? You find the BC first or BDE first?
BC.
No. You will find the BDE first. That means the bigger path first. Okay, always remember, you have to find the bigger path first. So if you find the BDE, you will see your result comes 3. How do I know that? I know it. If you do it, you will know your result is 3. That time what you will do? You will write the result. Okay? Oh my God. You will write the result 3, 3, 3. Understand? B is 3, D is 3, E is 3. Now find the BC. If you write the BC, you will see your result comes like this. Okay, let's do it. 1 divided by beta n. This is reference. 1 divided by beta n. First one is for B. Second one is for what? C. One reference means what? 1 divided by Wn by Ln, right? 1 divided by Wn by Ln. Remember, this is for B. W by L. Remember, this is for C. Now, all of the L are 1, right? So we can actually delete all of those. And we can write 1. This one will go up, right? So we can actually delete these. We can delete these. We can delete these because they are actually going up and multiply by 1 with 1. Now, better this WN reference. What is the value of this one?
1.
1. So we can write 1, right? What is the value of W for B? That we have already find, right? How much?
3.
3. We are going to delete these and write 3.
Okay.
What is the value of WC? We do not know. We will find out. Understand? What will happen? This 1 by 3, this 1 by 1 will be subtracted. So upper one will be 3 minus 2. 3 minus 1 actually 2. The lower one will be what? 3. This is your 1 by W. So your W will be 3 by 2. That means 1.5. Understand? So this result is no longer 2. It is 1.5. It is adjusted. It is being adjusted according to that one. Okay? Understand everyone?
Yes, sir.
That time you have to apply this method, this formula. Shortcut method doesn't work always. Shortcut method doesn't work always. Sometimes you have to use the formula. বুঝতে পারছো? You got it, everyone?
Yes.
You have any more question?
No, sir. স্যার হচ্ছে গিয়ে আমি একটা ছোট একটা কোশ্চেন ছিল।
হ্যাঁ বলো।
আমরা তো আগেরটা শুনে হচ্ছে গিয়ে ধরেন আমার এর মধ্যে তিনটা হচ্ছে গিয়ে তিনটা হচ্ছে মানে মাল্টিপ্লাই দিয়ে দুইটা ছিল, ঠিক আছে? তিনটা ছিল। এখানে যেমন বিসি আছে, বিসি হচ্ছে আমি এই সিস্টেম বের করছি, বাট আরেকটাও দুইটা হচ্ছে কি মাল্টিপ্লায়ার ছিল। ওই ক্ষেত্রে কি আমার আলাদা আবার বিটা পি দিয়ে বের করতে হবে না ইকুয়েশনটা?
আমি তোমার কোশ্চেনটা বুঝি নাই, আবার বলো তো।
স্যার কিভাবে বুঝাই? যেমন হচ্ছে কি আমরা যখন বের করতাম তিনটা থাকতো, যে তিনটা গুণ থাকলে বিটা পি দিয়ে একটা বের করতাম। স্যার তিনটা হচ্ছে গিয়ে আমাদের হচ্ছে গিয়ে কি আছে, ভ্যারিয়েবল আছে, তিনটা ভ্যারিয়েবল গুণ হিসেবে আছে, এরকম দুইটা সেকশন আছে। ওইটা কি হচ্ছে আমরা একবারে বের করে ফেলতাম।
আচ্ছা।
আবার হচ্ছে দুইটা আছে, দুইটা ভ্যারিয়েবল একসাথে গুণ আসতাম, কিন্তু আমি একসাথে বের করে দুইটার জন্য একসাথে কাউন্ট করতাম।
আচ্ছা।
এটা সম্ভব হবে না। এই ক্ষেত্রে হচ্ছে যেমন বিসি আমি বের করলাম, আর হচ্ছে যদি এখানে
আচ্ছা নাজিফা, আমি তোমার কোশ্চেন কিছুই বুঝি নাই, তুমি প্লিজ একটু লিখে দাও আমাকে। আমি সলভ করে দিচ্ছি, দাঁড়াও লিখে দাও।
আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে,
ওকে এখন লিখে দাও।
এখন লিখে দিও।
তুমি একটা কিছুতে লিখে আমাকে জাস্ট ভিডিওতে দেখাইলেই হবে, তাহলেই হবে। ওকে টেল মি।
স্যার এই যে এখানে দুইটা আছে না, যে
হ্যাঁ এ বি ই সি এন্ড ডি, হ্যাঁ বুঝতে পারলাম।
এই সার্কিটটা আপনি সলভ করতে দিয়েছিলেন আমাদের কাছে।
হ্যাঁ ঠিক আছে।
এটা হচ্ছে কি আমি বলতে চাইতেছি, যেমন আমাদের এখানে কিন্তু হচ্ছে যে বিসির মান আমরা আলাদাভাবে বের করে ফেললাম।
হ্যাঁ
কিন্তু হচ্ছে কি আমরা এই সার্কিটে কিন্তু আমার ব্যাপারটা ছিল কি তিনটাই আছে সবগুলা।
আচ্ছা
আমরা আগে মনে করতাম না যে তিনটা অথবা দুইটা মানে দুই হিসেব থাকে, তাহলে হচ্ছে একটা সূত্র দিয়ে বের করে ডব্লিউপি কাউন্ট করি।
আচ্ছা একটা কাজ করো, তুমি এই সার্কিটটাকে আমাকে পুরো ফুল দেখাও, আমি একটা স্ক্রিনশট নিব, তারপর তোমাকে দেখাচ্ছি আমি। ওকে তুমি বন্ধ করো, আমি তোমাকে দেখাচ্ছি। Okay, now here, can you see that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, কি বলছো তুমি আমাকে বলো দেখি। তুমি আমাকে বলছো স্যার আমরা যে এখানে এ বি আছে, ই সি আছে, ডি ই আছে।
স্যার সেটাই বলছি, আমি বলতেছি যে হচ্ছে গিয়ে আমরা যখন হচ্ছে থিওরি ক্লাসে ইকুয়েশনটা সলভ করছি, ধরেন স্যার যে তিনটা ভেরিয়েবল একসাথে আছে, যেমন এ সি ডি বি সি ডি, এই দুইটার জন্য একটা বিটা পি দিয়ে সলভ করছি, এবং এটাই হচ্ছে গিয়ে তিনটা জন্য কাউন্ট হয়েছে।
হ্যাঁ তিনটা জন্য কাউন্ট হয়েছে। হ্যাঁ তারপর
আবার যেমন দুইটা ছিল, যেমন এ ই বি ই, এটা হচ্ছে আমরা সেম একটা ইকুয়েশন সলভ করছি।
হ্যাঁ
এনকাউন্ট করছি, বাট এই ক্ষেত্রে আমরা যে লাস্ট ইকুয়েশনে সলভ করলাম ওইখানে কিন্তু মনে হয় না স্যার এমন ভাবে হবে। আমার হচ্ছে কি আমাদের তো বিসি এর জন্য তখন হচ্ছে কি বি এর জন্য আলাদাভাবে বের করতে হবে, এ এর জন্য আলাদাভাবে বের করতে হবে। আর ওইখানে তো হচ্ছে স্যার বি কমন ছিল।
হ্যাঁ, বি কমন ছিল।
বি কমন থাকার জন্য আমাদের হচ্ছে আলাদাভাবে হচ্ছে যে বি এর মান হচ্ছে সেকেন্ড ইকুয়েশনটা বিটা দিয়ে বসিয়ে তারপর হচ্ছে গিয়ে সি এর মান বের করতে হইছে।
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ।
এখন আমি বলতে চাইছি যদি আমার এরকম আরেকটা দুইটা হচ্ছে ভেরিয়েবলের এরকম থাকে তখন হচ্ছে আমাদের টোটালি আবার দেখা দিতে হবে না w n = 2।
আচ্ছা দেখো, তোমার কোশ্চেনটা আমি মনে হয় বুঝতে পারছি, কিন্তু দেখো আমাদের এখানে কি হচ্ছে, আমাদের এখানে আছে ACD, খেয়াল করে দেখো তুমি, আমাদের এখানে আছে ACD, দ্যাট মিন্স ওকে, দ্যাট মিন্স A C and D, তাই না? তুমি যখন এখানে এটা বের করতেছো তোমার কিন্তু A বের হয়ে আসতেছে, C বের হয়ে আসতেছে, D বের হয়ে আসতেছে, তাই না? তারপরে তুমি যখন when you do this, when you find the A and E, তুমি যখন A আর E বের করবা, বুঝতে পারছি? তুমি যখন A আর E বের করো তখন কিন্তু তোমাকে এই A এর ভ্যালুটা এতেই বসাইতে হবে, যেটা তুমি একটু আগে পাইছো, ওটা কিন্তু ফিক্সড, কারণ that is already you already found out that, that's why you have to use that in the A. By putting the value of A in your next formula, that means with AE you will find out the value of AE, only E. ঠিক আছে? এখন তুমি মনে করো, আমি বুঝছি, তুমি মনে করো তুমি হচ্ছে ACD বের করছো, তাই না? তুমি A বের হয়ে গেছে, C বের হয়ে গেছে, D বের হয়ে গেছে, যেহেতু এখানে তিনটা ছিল তার মানে আলটিমেটলি তোমার B ও বের হয়ে গেছে। এরপর তুমি যখন হচ্ছে BE করবা তখন কিন্তু তোমাকে এই B এর ফর্মুলাতে B এর ভ্যালুটাই বসাইতে হবে, আর E এর ভ্যালুটা তুমি এখনো জানো না, দ্যাট you have to find out according to the from the formula. আমাদের এখানে কি হয়েছে, আমাদের নেক্সট একটু আগে যে ম্যাটার আমি দেখাইলাম, ইন দ্যাট ম্যাথ ইউ হ্যাভ সিন অনলি one type of what is that path, তোমার ওখানে কোনো সিমিলার পাথ ছিল না, there were not similar path। এখানে তোমার কি আছে, এখানে তোমার দুইটা করে সিমিলার পাথ আছে, this path are similar,
yes sir,
this path and this path are similar, so তুমি যদি এইটার জন্য বের করো আলটিমেটলি এইটার জন্য তোমার রেজাল্টটা বের হয়ে আসবে, একই রেজাল্ট আসবে, and if you find this path you will find this path the result is also there, বুঝছো? আমি মনে হয় এইটাই বুঝলাম তোমার কোশ্চেন থেকে, তুমি যতটুকু বুঝাইলে আর কি, তোমার যদি আরো কিছু থাকে বলতে পারো।
স্যার,
yeah, Abbas,
in here the n BMOS, yes, we will get maybe three different values for A.
Three different values for A? No, I do not think.
Or two. ACD.
Two different.
Yes, two different. So at that time we will solve just A, and C and D will be as short as the value that we will get.
Okay. My suggestion will be find the value for bigger path first. Whatever the value you are getting for A, C and D, that will be the final value, because you are solving for the bigger path. Okay? Then you take down the second one. Then when you see AE, you already find out the A from the bigger path, right?
Yes.
That value will be constant. Now find the value of E. But my point here, the only change will be E, not the A, because A you have already found out from the bigger path. Got my point? Yes. Let me say again. When you have this sort of problem, you will see your A have two different values, your B have two different values, because here you have A, here you have A, here you have 3 MOSFET, here you have 2 MOSFET, so you will have two different values for A. For next one, here you have B, where your MOSFET was 3, here you have B, where your MOSFET was 2, so you will also get two different values for B as well. But my suggestion will be, not my suggestion actually, your suggestion for you will be, find out for bigger path. When you find out for bigger path, you already know the value of A, value of C, and value of D. Write those here. Then go to the next path, AE. Okay? Now from AE, which one you do not know? you do not know the value of E. Do you know the value of A?
Yes.
From where?
A bigger path.
From the bigger path. You already know the value of A. Put the value of A, put the value of reference, you will get the value of E. Okay?
Again B.
Okay. Got my point?
Yes.
Okay. Any more? Any more question?
Oh, sir. Thank you.
Okay.
Sir,
Yeah.
when I get the first three A, B, A, C, D, may I divide three
Okay.
to get each value?
Okay. Please wait a second. One second. Hello. আমি বাসায় এখনো আমার হয় নাই আমার 2-3 মিনিট লাগবে 2-3 মিনিট লাগবে Okay, tell me.
When I get the value of A, C, D,
Okay, ACD.
may I divide three to get each value?
Yeah, you can say 3 because it is 6. This will be 6. This will be 6. Okay, then
Okay.
Next.
That's my question, sir.
Okay, that was the question. You can directly write it because you know because for bigger path it will be 3. You have 3. No, not 6. It will be 999. It will be 999 for 3:1, right? For 3:1, it will be 999. Understand? Up this is
Again, sir?
again.
No, sir.
You have 3 MOSFET A, C, and D, right?
Yes.
And your normal path ratio was 3:1. That means 3. So it should be 3 times 999. Now, since you already know the value of 9, now for if you apply the AE, now if you see the AE, if you solve the AE, you will see you have one path like this. You have A and E, so you have 2 MOSFET. So there should be 6 and 6. This should be 6. This also should be 6, right? But one MOSFET cannot have 2 different type of what? 2 different type of sizing. So which one will remain? 9 will remain or 6 will remain?
9.
9 will remain because 9 is the bigger one. So bigger one will remain. So when you put 9, that time it will disagree. This 6 will disagree. It will say, okay, my dear, why you are 9? Why you are not with me? Why you are not 6? That time it will disagree. That time we have to reform it. Reform. Okay? When we reform it, you will see it is 4.5. Reform, right? It is 4.5. How do I get 4.5? Anyone?
By using
using the
formula.
formula. Exactly. Okay?
Sir, my question is, first I use the formula
Yes.
to get the A, C, D
Yes.
value.
Yes.
Then I want to start to find AE.
Hey, yes.
So in the formula, how can which value may I take? May I take the value of A?
9.
Oh, 9.
Yes, 9. Because you already got it. You already got it from the previous formula. That means the first formula for ACD.
But sir, 9 is the value of ACD,
Yes.
not value of A.
No. 9 is the value for A. 9 is the value for C. 9 is the value for D. All of them.
Oh, okay. Thank you, sir. That's my question.
Okay.
আমি যদি এখন মানে হচ্ছে এনপি মস আমি সকলগুলোর ভ্যালু বের করে ফেলছি এখন শুধু আমার বি এর ভ্যালু বের করা আছে এখন যদি আমি ভি ই কে বিটা পি দিয়ে বের করে ই এর মান এখানে বসিয়ে 4.5 বসিয়ে ডাইরেক্টলি বি এর মান
না তুমি এটা করতে পারবে না because you already have a B with a bigger path. Okay? তুমি ওই যে E বসাবা তারপর ওখান থেকে B বের করবা. You cannot find the value of B from here because you have a bigger path available. নাজিফা আমি তোমার কোশ্চেন বুঝছি তুমি বলতেছো স্যার আমি তো এখন ই জানি we know A we know C we know D we know E can we put the value of E and find the value of B no you cannot because you have a bigger path what you can do you can put the value of C you can put the value of D and you can find the value of B but ছোটটা বসে ওই ভ্যালু বের করতে পারবে না you have a bigger path when you have a bigger path you cannot go for the smaller path বুঝছো না বুঝো নাই আচ্ছা okay that's all for today's class I need to go somewhere And tomorrow I will take the class, but tomorrow I need to go for testing as well. You know what testing? Hello? I need to go for testing. Do you know what is what testing I am talking about?
COVID-19
Yes.
and symptoms আছে কিছু?
হ্যাঁ, symptom আছে দেখে তো যেতে হচ্ছে। ঠিক আছে? Okay, pray for me. And tomorrow me and my father will go for testing. I do not know. Okay, what will happen? Okay. And let's see you tomorrow. Okay. I'm going to upload the class as well.
Okay, sir.
Okay.